let me show you how to properly set up and use your posture corrector. So in this video also, I'll show you how to wear it and everything you need to know about it. And to set it up, it's actually very easy. So first, as you see, you have the top part here and also the bottom part. And you have these two basically plastic pieces here that we can use to loop basically these straps through. And also you see, if you check closely, you see you have this very soft material here, and this soft material actually attracts these Velcro clips here. So you see, you can clip them pretty much anywhere here on that part. So first what you want to do is, so simply take one side, take your with the Velcro side up. So you see, simply loop it through and attach temporarily to the very end of the basically the soft part where it sticks. So again, we simply want to keep it at place first. So this is what it looks like. And the same on the other side as well. So the Velcro side up, loop it through, okay, and simply stick it on here for a moment. Stretch it out, so this is what it should look like. Also, if you are looking to get this corrector, in the description I'll include special discount links that you can use and get it for the cheapest price possible. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only around $2 for mine, and that also was with free shipping for this price. This is totally unbeatable. If you check maybe on Amazon, I see some sellers even charge like $20 for the same thing. So yeah, also you see you can get in multiple sizes, so medium size, extra large size and also large size. So simply order the size you need. And next, let's put it on. So the way you want to wear it is pretty much the same way as you would put on a backpack. So as you see, I will simply take one strap over here, put over the shoulder here, and the other strap, again, literally just like a backpack. So once you have it like this, okay, so what you want to do is you simply want to undo those both clips that you clipped on this very soft material here. So I will simply unclip them. Okay, so you see I have them in my hand. Next, what you can do is you can simply wiggle around your shoulders to get basically seated in the best position really and the best feel. Also you can maybe stretch this a bit, just a tiny bit. You do not actually want much pressure there. So then once you are adjusted, we are simply going to clip both these clips here, simply much further up basically, till they are essentially in the best position over here. So when it comes to the tightness, these definitely shouldn't be overly tight actually. If you make them overly tight, they might actually even cause problems for you and they definitely won't be comfortable. Also, you can simply try to attempt to do various things. For example, if you see that these are starting to dig into your shoulders, armpits. So you would simply like undo them a bit and simply put them a bit down till they actually start to feel okay, so and not as tight essentially. So again, the fit overall should be actually very comfortable when you are moving around. These definitely shouldn't obstruct you in any way. So again, simply move around, move your arms around and see how it fits. It should be actually very comfortable fit overall. Okay. And let's also cover some of the most commonly asked questions about these that I see people are asking the most. So basically, first, how long should you actually wear this thing for? So when you are just starting out, I would say maybe start at maximum maybe 30 minutes per day essentially. Also try to actually focus only on the time frame basically when you basically are doing some tasks and when you actually feel that you basically have the worst posture problems. Essentially, for example, when you are maybe sitting somewhere, working at the computer away, and again you are feeling basically you have like very bad hunchback or again any other problem, simply again maybe only literally at first only wear it only then essentially. Again, your main goal with this thing is to also observe basically and pay like remind yourself essentially that you should also keep yourself basically in good posture essentially. So not only it's helping you physically to keep the good posture, but again you should also definitely be aware that you should train basically this posture also with maybe various exercises. So if you look online, there are also like bunch of posture training exercises. So again, you should combine those with this essentially. So this also essentially acts as a reminder. So for the first days, again, stick to maybe maximum 30 minutes essentially, and then with the next days you can increase basically, maybe extra 15 minutes every single day. And the maximum I would wear it maybe like at the very end essentially, maybe like 4-5 hours, but definitely no more than that. That's are the like the maximum you should actually wear this. So yeah, if you're wondering if you should actually wear this like 24/7, yeah, for some reason, then definitely not, basically. So this is essentially more like a temporary fix that you will wear for some time, basically. And your goal is to basically, yeah, eventually get rid of this stuff, essentially, when your posture is corrected. Again, this is not stuff that you are going to wear forever, so just for some time, essentially. So how soon can you actually see some results? So basically, as soon as you put on, you will definitely feel and see results, essentially. So it's pretty much instant, I would say. But long-term results, I guess I have seen maybe like starting from 2 months, maybe something like that, essentially, when you can already think about getting rid of this stuff, essentially. So yeah, not much probably, actually. So yeah, also, what about sleeping with this thing? Definitely not. Do not actually do that, obviously. So while you are sleeping, obviously, yeah, your body obviously wants to relax, recover basically from the everyday tasks. Again, this obviously would be the worst thing to do. So again, make sure to take it off, obviously, yeah, when you sleep. So can you also wear it maybe over clothes to hide it? Yep, definitely. So literally you can put over like a jumper, sweater, so again, maybe another shirt, or again, yeah, literally just a coat, essentially, so you can easily hide that you maybe even have such thing. So if you basically are scared that someone will find out, you can definitely even, yeah, basically wear some clothing on it. And yeah, when you also wear clothing of it, you can't really even feel that you have it on, essentially. So yeah, again, it's actually fairly comfortable, basically, from my experience as well. And again, if you also are looking to get one, make sure to check out those special discount links that I will leave in the description. So again, right around maybe like $2 with free shipping if you follow those links. So, and they come in pretty much all sizes, so will fit pretty much anyone. Okay, good luck.